Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to launch an Audi A3. First, find a safe, open space away from traffic or obstacles. Make sure your car is in good working order, checking fluid levels and tire pressure. Understand your Audi's Drive Select system, as this will be crucial for optimal performance. We'll cover the specific steps to engage launch control and experience your A3's full acceleration potential. Before attempting a launch, you'll want to set up your Audi A3 correctly. Navigate to your Audi Drive Select and choose Dynamic Mode for the most aggressive settings. Crucially, fully disable traction control, often labeled ASR, by pressing and holding the button. Also, confirm your engine has reached its ideal operating temperature to prevent any undue stress on components. Now for the exciting part, engaging launch control. With your left foot, firmly press and hold the brake pedal. Simultaneously, with your right foot, press the accelerator pedal all the way to the floor. You should feel the engine revving and holding at an optimal RPM. Once you're ready, quickly release the brake pedal to unleash your Audi A3's powerful acceleration. After a thrilling launch, it's wise to let your engine cool down for a few minutes. Remember, launch control puts significant stress on your drivetrain, so use it sparingly to ensure the longevity of your vehicle's components. For more tips on car care and other great deals, check the description below. And speaking of staying cool, you can also find a link there for the Owala water bottle to keep you hydrated on all your drives.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.